Okay, I came up with a pretty good way of keeping your towable backhoe safe. Of course, you're going to take off the trailer hitch, but if you were to take off the wheels and store them in your garage, in a locked garage, well then the chances of somebody just coming over here and picking that up and taking that away is pretty darn slim. It's 1,000 pounds. You know, if they knew what they're doing, I suppose they could start it up and haul it with the boom, I guess, but by that time you would wake up and you would hear it, so you'd be out running out there. But I think this is probably one of the safest ways of storing your backhoe overnight to try to keep thieves from stealing it. And another quick tip, make sure after you've shut it off to always release the pressure on all your pistons. Just put your pistons through all the positions, and if there's any pressure, it'll just go back to the tank. So it's always good to release the pressure off your pistons. Have a nice day. Sun's going down. Cheers.